On the weekly chart, we're going to take a look at Tesla. Tesla is one of the few stocks that actually have already reported earnings. Last week, they reported a miss of EPS, but also a beat of the revenue. That's why you had that nice big drawdown as soon as they reported, and then the next morning when they market opened, then you had that nice climb and actually took the overall market with it. Now, where does that kind of put us here on the weekly chart? Well, we're trading right now at 433. We're down around 3.5% from Thursday's close. And then it's all going to be about this level right here. That's going to be that 441. That is going to be a place that we're going to need to be watching into this week, because that's going to be a very, very harsh resistance for us. On the downside, we have 414, but 441, that is going to be an area that if we want to get any momentum heading into all these catalysts coming up in this week, that is going to be an area where we need to get up next to and actually breach and hold for anything good in here to happen. If we can get above that, they're going to be forward looking in here to this upper trend line right here. It's trading at that 456. And then anything above that, we're going to be looking at that 465 level. Anything below that 441, again, we're looking at that 414 or this 9-day EMA, whichever one is going to end up coming first for us in here. But right now, we're just going to be looking at that 414. So perhaps some consolidation in here. You can see this is a channel, a $30 wide channel that we've kind of been sitting in here for the past 5 weeks. Obviously, we had some volatility spikes here and there, and even coming this week with the earnings catalyst that we just had. But this is going to be an area that we need to get out of, and then we can get some better direction overall. Everybody is pricing in right around a $23 expected move by this Friday, the following Friday, $34. And if you go all the way out to your November monthlies, right around a $49 expected move is being priced in Tesla. So again, 441, that's going to be the area we're watching in here. If we do end up getting a gap down, then just be prepared for some consolidation between the 414 and that 444, 441 range. And we're going to see what happens in here with all of the news catalysts and earnings catalysts coming up in this week. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.